Hey guys, this is an unboxing of the IQOO 7 phone. This is how the monster looks like. Guys, it's a pretty sleek phone, very lightweight also, and I really like the camera module at the back that they've done. So you've got a 3 camera setup at the back with a tiny IQOO branding, and it's a gradient blue, a mix of black and blue. You've got the power button right here and volume up and down buttons right here, just like Realme does with its phones. And then you've got a selfie camera in front. I really like the touch, and of course the display is great as well. Let's move on to what else you get inside the box. So I ripped off the plastic sheet before this. You also get a cover, a transparent cover, so your phone is safe from accidental falls, or if you're a very clumsy user like me. Let's see what else. Yes, so you've got an adapter right here, you've got a charging cable as well. So it's a matte back, a very nice feeling. You know, I mean, I can't really say that it's completely matte. It's just something else, you know. It's a very velvety touch. At the same time, there's a little bit of gloss right here as well. So this is your 16 megapixel camera for selfies, and you at the back of the phone you've got a 48 megapixel camera, 13 and 2 megapixel camera. So these 3 cameras stacked up on top of each other. Then you've got a 4400 mAh of battery, which is pretty nice, and Android 11 is the OS that supports it. And let's now look at this tiny pouch. I'm sure you have the user safety guides and of course all of those. So you've got a SIM card ejection pin. You've got a quick start guide that will give you basic details of how to set up your phone, languages, system support. And this one is an important information and warranty card. So this one has a warranty card but also has some important safety instructions, you know. So for instance, you should keep the device out of the reach of children and pets, turn on the device safely, pay attention to road safety. Make sure that you go through the guide, guys, and of course that's all as far as the unboxing is concerned. Take a good look at all that you get inside this phone box of IQOO 7. And I'm going to see you super soon with a detailed review of this phone. That's it for now.